The RAD Lab is a collection of people who are rallying around this vision of allowing a single person to create the next great internet service. The feedback we got was these ideas look interesting, but you're only running on clusters of 10 servers. You have to show scalability.
It's not clear why the power should be in it.
We'd heard about cloud computing, and that seemed the only plausible, viable approach. So we approached Amazon about using their services. Amazingly, within 6 months, we had one of the first papers from a research group using 1,000 computers, and that was done via Amazon.
You had left comments.
I think as educators, we're excited about cloud computing because all of a sudden we can give students much more realistic and compelling homework and lab assignments. We can have students program their own high-performance parallel server. We can have them watch a database tip over when web service gets heavily loaded. And those things would have required hundreds of computers, which is just untenable without something like cloud computing to help us out.
And for 2 hours you get 100 machines and you can run experiments on them. You shut off the machines, you look at your data, and then you can come back the next day again, get 100 more machines and, run your stuff on it. You don't have to worry about the details of, setting up a cluster and managing it and, breaking down and all the costs of that.
What makes the partnership between UC Berkeley and Amazon so valuable is that from the Amazon side, they get a very early look at emerging applications and emerging needs. From the Berkeley side, we get access to resources that would be extremely difficult and extremely expensive for us to build out, provision, and maintain, so that when our students and our researchers need access to industrial scale resources, they can get them on demand.
When students now go out into the workforce or continue their graduate careers, they actually have experiences that are much closer to what industry is hoping and expecting to see in top graduates than what we could have done using only our local resources.
Based on our success with the RAD Lab, we've decided to launch another 5-year research effort. The new effort is called the AMP Lab, where AMP stands for Algorithms, Machines, and People. And the goal of the AMP Lab is to investigate making sense of the world at scale.
Our mission is really to deliver the best education and the best research experience to our students, and cloud computing has made a qualitative difference in how we can do that.